Hi friends, let me show you this new doorbell kit. It's a wireless doorbell kit, okay? You get the user manual and you get two ring bells and the main unit, okay? These work connecting them directly to the outlet, and they have 60 different ringtones. You can select them really easily. Now we are going to do that. And this one is the unit that you put in your door, okay? As you can see, you get there the light. You get accessories to install it, okay? To open it, to change the batteries, and a double-sided tape to install it if you want to stick it instead of screwing it, okay? So let's try it. Okay, it is ready, and when you ring the bell, you hear, that's the basic tone. You can mute it whenever you hear it, okay? As soon as you mute it, it won't keep ringing. And if you want to change the volume, you press the upper button. Okay, that's the strongest. And you can change the tone with the up and down buttons.
Hello, welcome.
When you select one, you'll get that one, okay? So it's a nice unit, very useful, different tones, and really easy to use and to install. Perfect.